we will learn a new chapter. The chapter is Know Your Alphabet. And students of LKG, this is your book, Literacy Skills 1. Please open this book and page number is 3. And the chapter is Know Your Alphabet. So, let's see this one. This is A. This one is capital A and this one is small a. Capital small means this is capital letter and this is small letter. Now, see your book. Here some words as written. The words are ant, apple, and astronaut, aeroplane. So all these words start with this letter A. And here the letter is small letter. And also here is some word R, X, angel, apron, and animal. So all these 5 letters starts with the particular letter A. And here is a blank box for you. You have to write here the letter properly. Now turn the page. Page number is 4. Here is a story for you. So let's read the story. Onu is hungry. Here her aunt Annie gives her an apple to eat. Onu is happy. Mr. Arora just returned from office. He wears an apron. He is making an apple pie. So now see Anu. Anu starts with A. And aunt starts with A. Annie starts with A. So all here letter, this is red ink. You can see all the letter is A. Some are in capital letter and some are in small letter. Now turn the page. Page number is 5. The story is continuing here also. Next we will go to learn the letter B. In previous, all of you have learned the letter A. Now, we will going to learn the letter B. Now see, here is some words. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Bus, B-U-S, bus. So, these 2 letters, this one and this one is starts with B. And same, now see ball and here is banana. All of those starts with the letter B. And same in these boxes, here is also some letter starts with B. And all these letters starts with small b. This one is small letter and this one is capital letter. So you have to remind these 2 patterns properly. And same, here is homework for you. You have to fill in these boxes with the capital letter B and small letter b both. Now turn the page, page number 7. As you read a story on capital A previous, same, here is also a story on capital letter B. So let's read the story. Valu, the bear is very big and brown in color. He lives in a forest. Valu moves slowly. Valu loves to eat honey from the bees. Now concentrate the first letter, Bhalu. B. The first letter is B. Beer, the first letter is B. and B, first letter is B. So here is some word starts with the letter B. Now turn the page number 8. The story continue. The story is, look at the bee hive. It is higher on the tree. Bhalu is angry. Bhalu sits on the grass. The bees give Bhalu a big jar full of honey to eat. Bhalu is happy. Same here also. Here also some words start with the letter B. So I think all of you properly understand the capital and small form of this letter. Now the next letter is C. Capital and small. This is the capital. And this is the small. Now let's see the words. Cap, then cup, C-A-P cap and C-U-P cup. Next C-A-T cat, C-A-R car. All these words starts with the letter C. And here in this box also have some words starts with the letter C. Cow, coin, cloud, round and carrot. Now here is the box for you. You have to fill this box with capital C and small c. Now turn the page. Here is the story on the letter capital C and small letter C. So let's read the story. Carol is 5 years old. Carol is having a birthday party. She wears a new coat. The coat is pink in color. Carol's mother, Celia, has made a crown. Carol is wearing the crown. So these letters, this one, this one, this one, all these starts with C. So you have to focus the word starts with C. Now next the page number 11. Here the story is continue and here is also have some word starts with the letter C. Some starts with capital C and some starts with small letter C. Now turn the page number is 12 and now the new word, new letter is D. Capital D and small d. This one is capital and this one is small. Now let's read the word. Dog, D-O-G, dog. D-O-double-L, doll. So these two letters starts with the letter D. And this is in small letter. This one is small letter. In these boxes, we can see here also some words starts with D. And all the words starts with small letter D. Now next, this is the box. Here you have to write the letter properly, capital D and small d, both. Now turn the page number is 13 and here is also a story to focus the letter. Let's see. Daisy loves dogs. Daisy has a pet dog called Dino and Daisy takes Dino for a walk. Dino is very hungry. Dino and Daisy love to eat donuts. Dino is eating a donut. Now see. Daisy dogs. Daisy starts with capital D and dogs starts with small d. Now next, Dino. Dino starts with capital D. Daisy, Dino, this is a name. Always name starts with capital letter. That's why this is starts with capital D. Next, here also Dino and Daisy, this is starts with capital D, and Donuts not a name, so Donuts starts with small letter D. Now turn the page number 14. Here is continuing the story. So in this way you can learn the capital D and small letter D properly. Thank you.